Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this oil pump with pump nozzle 12 volt, the model USOP 50A1, premium product from Ultimate Speed, accessories included, 3 years warranty, flow rate up to 50 liters per minute, for cleanly pumping engine oil, diesel and heating oil. Simple operation via the nozzle without automatic switch off. Powered by 12 volt car battery, with ergonomic carry handle and metal feet for mounting, with 2 meter drain hose and 1.2 meter suction hose with filter basket. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual included. Let's see one by one what we have at the box. Hose clamps, 2 hose, 1.2 meter and 2 meters. Nice, I like it. Flexible with metal reinforcement. Coarse suction filter, metal with plastic, and of course we have the pump nozzle. I feel like I am on a gas station. And of course we have the pump, quite heavy, the handle, on-off switch, cover it, splash-proof protection, the cable with red connection clamp and with a black connection clamp. Red goes at the positive, black at the negative pole on your battery. And the length, it is 1.5 meter. So I think it is enough. It will be near your engine. We have the mounting holes for fixed installation. Screws are not included. You can have this permanently anywhere you want. In and out. Metal. I like that. Input voltage 12 volt, nominal power 160 watts, continuous operation 30 minutes, diesel heating oil flow rate 50 liters per minute, the same and for the engine oil flow rate. For the 10W40 engine oil it is 35 liters per minute and with a 61 decibel noise. Now at the pump nozzle we have the latch mechanism. Press and it will stay on. Now we need to use one of these hose clamps. The 1.2 meters goes at the in. Insert that inside. We need a screwdriver. That is okay. And at the in you can connect this filter. At the out we can connect the 2 meters. It is okay. And at the other end the pump nozzle. Connecting the clamp first. I think it is okay. So let's connect it and pump. Now in front of me I have 10 liters of water. I will test it with water. Insert this hose. Connect the clamps at the 12-volt battery. On-off switch. Nice! Okay, that was so fast. I like it. Now let's do the opposite. Okay, I like it. It is so fast to do. Of course, this is water. With oil, it will be longer the time to pump, let's say 10 liters of oil. With the gasoline, petrol 95, you know, regular gasoline, it will be the same like the water. I can see the water is a little bit dirty. I think because this is the first time maybe. Okay, nice. Don't destroy the pump, turn it off the pump. Or maybe the black water is because I have damaged the pump. Maybe it's forbidden to use the pump with water. Maybe, who knows? It is only for 12-volt vehicles. I would like to be from 12 to 24 volt and for trucks. The cable length on second thought is short, only 1.5 meters. 5 meters is better. You will do your job more freely. But it is very convenient for transferring oil and fuel from the container to your car with a cost only 45 euros. Don't use it for a long time, it will damage the battery by drawing too much power. The pumping time is very good, only 30 seconds for the water. I recommend it if you need that kind of device. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.